Mina, you got more presents to open, dude. In your stocking.
Hey!
It's a whoopee cushion. You blow it up with air and it makes a fart sound.
Yeah. Remember we used to play, I used to play with Mickey with the things?
With what?
I used to play with Mickey and we used to always play with that.
Yeah, I remember.
Hey, it's a bouncy big tree.
Whoopee cushions?
Mm-hmm.
I remember that
Hey,
too.
it's a bouncy. What is this? Hey. The trash monster.
Oh, I think you squeeze him and his eyes pop out or something.
Yeah. Nope.
No?
Oh, I missed that.
That's
one.
right, Mina. We'll get it later.
I got a big bouncy spinning.
It's a slinky. Do you know what you do with a slinky?
Yeah.